discriminant, I think you learned this last term, right? In chapter 8, did we learn about discriminant before? Let's revise it. So write down the quadratic formula. Hi. Yep, okay. Minus 4ac over 2a. Hopefully you remember this formula. The quadratic formula. And I want you to use the quadratic formula to solve all three equations. All right? So the first one, a equal to 1, b equal to 5, c equal to -6. And then what we do is we write x equal to -5 plus or minus 5 squared minus 4ac. Not enough space. All right, like that. Use the quadratic formula. So what do you get? -5. And then just use your calculator for this. So you get 5 squared minus 4 times 1 times -6. (49) over 2. Thank you. All right, continue. All right, so, and then if you square root the 49, what do you get? You get 7. So your answer will be -5, so you can just do it on a calculator. So you write fraction, -5 plus 7 over 2, which is 1. Or the other one is, what's the other one? Put the negative in here. You get -6. Okay, which is the answer. Okay, now try the other two, and then we'll discuss what the meaning of this. Okay, go. Try the other two using the formula. The other one. Okay, let's try this one. So you got x equal to 6 plus or minus 6 squared minus 4ac over 2, which is equal to 0. And you get 3. And the last one, you get 3 plus or minus 3 squared minus 4ac. And you get 9 minus 20, which is -11. And what happens? You have a square root of -11. No solution. So we see the first case has got 2 solutions. The second case has got 1 solution. The last case has got no solution. Actually, that was last term's work, discriminant. But it's good revision, so you remember what that means. So when it's 2 solutions, we see this number is positive. We see 1 solution when that's 0. We see no solution when that's negative. We call these 3 numbers the discriminant because it discriminates between 3 different situations. We call this the discriminant. Hopefully that's in recording. Okay, it is. Okay, so now we have a formula for discriminant which discriminates between 2 solutions, 1 solution, or no solutions. So let's write it here. Discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. The stuff inside the square root. All right, that's called the discriminant, which have the symbol delta in Greek. Discriminant. And then instead of doing all of this, I could just use the discriminant to determine the number of solutions. So let's do the discriminant for the first one. B squared minus 4ac. B squared is 5 squared minus 4 times 5 times -6, which is equal to 25 plus 20. Sorry, 1 times 1, yeah. Which is 24, 49. So that's positive. We say 2 solutions. And find the discriminant of this, find the discriminant of that. Alright, let's do that. Discriminant is negative 6 squared minus 4ac. Right? What would that be? 0. So we say no, one solution. And then finally, when you did the last one, discriminant is negative 3 squared minus 4ac. What do you get? 9 minus 20, you get negative 11. That is no solution. Alright, that's the discriminant. So let's summarize this on the box above. Discriminant is positive, 0, or negative, which correspond to two solutions, one solution, or no solution. Alright, that's the conclusion. Okay, any question on that? I think that's all we do now. I just want to do one part of the first example so you know how to do the question. Now, how is that related to the parabola? It relates a lot because parabola is a quadratic equation. So I just want to go to the next page. The question say, find the number of x-intercept. To answer this question, because you're not finding the x-intercept, the number of x-intercept is to find the x-intercept, you put y equal to 0. That's the x-intercept, right? And you put 0 equal to 3x squared minus 6x plus 5. And to find the number of x-intercept, all you have to do is find the discriminant of this. And the discriminant of that is negative 6 squared minus 4ac, which is equal to 36 minus 60, which is equal to 24 negative. So how many x-intercept? Huh? No x-intercept. Yeah. So it's very useful. Alright, so we'll leave that next lesson. So you can just do question 4 from the textbook, exercise 9E, question 4 only. Question 4, exercise 9E. Do all of it, okay? And then once you finish, you can catch up or pack up if you have finished everything. All right, thank you.